The exposition made by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for years and that of our Prime Minister Samuel Ekpa is more than enough to improve your reasoning and analytical abilities, to be able to decode truths and lies based on facts and figures, verifiable. Aside, you are wolf in sheep clothing. If not so, I don't know what will stop you as a Biafran from developing the critical thinking and analytical abilities. Because years of exposure of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and that of Prime Minister, more than enough to improve your IQ. What would have been your actions or reaction if our Prime Minister had come to tell you that he is a member of People's Club of Nigeria and a PDP member and communicating with a Nigerian politician? Present you Islamic bank account to donate money, so, and ask you to show your face, show your names. You are in Biafra land, and further to say that longer our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu remain in DSS custody, the better. If our Prime Minister have used such words, what would be your actions? Would you have kept quiet? What would be your actions if our Prime Minister come to destroy the things our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu they bought for? Instead of upgrading it, what would be your action as a Genuine Biafrans? Why I'm using this word Genuine Biafran? I did know that most of those who shares and supports her are evil abettors. Most of them are not Biafrans. They are Nigerian agents who hide behind Biafran names and spoken language. That is not yardstick to determine who is a true Biafran. Those who hide under formation to pretend to be part of us, but are not. Though all of those who are attacking Prime Minister Samuel Ekpa, they are now her followers. Yet, you still follow her. Our defense forces overall General Butuzo have come to say that the money you are contributing through her Islamic international accounts, a dime, even when a German have not been given to them. Yet, can you ask her a question? Can you call her out? Who are you contributing? Where is the money you're contributing going to? Can you be able to ask this question? Why? Anyways, I just want to tell you that ignorance is not excuse to law. The evidence is evidently obvious, even for a blind person, a 5-year-old child to the code, compare and contrast, and able to separate the chaff from the weight. But your inability to utilize it, your inability to be a critical thinker and a critical analyst, to your detriment. To your detriment. Because the facts and figure that prove beyond reasonable doubt that this butterfly that calls herself bird is a contracted Nigerian agent who have come to drag us backward and destroy what our Prime Minister and Biafra government and you and I built. Yes. And you are betting her to destroy this. Then you are inexcusable. Your gullibility, your inability to reason to your detriment. Because ignorance is not excuse to law. You won't be forgiven.